Laura from San Remo is joining me today, and we're going to be making a very famous southern Italian sauce to go with our pasta, a puttanesca.
Absolutely. It is probably my favourite pasta sauce, incorporating all delicious things, salty, spicy and whatever. So we've got some anchovies, capers, olives, tomato, chilli, garlic, basil. Delicious things.
Fantastic.
So I'm going to eat to work. This is a really quick and fast dish, which is great. So if you wouldn't mind chopping up the garlic and chilli. Now there is a lot of everything, but we want to pack a lot of flavour because that's what puttanesca is. It's all about packing as much flavour as possible into a sauce.
Do you know what I love about Italian food? It's how different each region is. Down south, they use a lot of olives, garlic, chilli, anchovies, and olive oil. Good quality extra virgin olive oil. And up north, it's all about cream and lots of cheeses. And the pasta you're choosing today?
So I've got little fusillini, so really little spirals. Really beautiful to kind of encapture all that sauce, which is really beautiful. So some salt in the water.
And is this how your nonna makes her puttanesca?
Pretty much, yes. I think I add a lot more chilli and anchovies to what she does, but I'm all about packing a lot of flavour into something really quickly.
When you look at this, it looks like quite a lot of chilli, but the long chillies aren't as fiery as the really tiny ones. So by all means, if you don't want it so spicy, you can leave a little out or just use one of these large chillies, just so you get just a slight warmth through the dish.
Yes, for sure. Now I'm just chopping up some anchovies. Obviously these are going to melt down with the high heat in the pan. And then I've got some Kalamata olives too. And then we'll just roughly chop them up. All right, so we'll pop these in and then I'll steal that garlic and chilli from you also.
Go for it.
Thank you. So that goes in, and it does look like a lot, but we are cooking with 500 grams of pasta, so we do need lots of sauce. Beautiful. I actually might get you, Justine, to pop a little bit of black pepper in here.
Of course.
That would be great.
There we go.
Beautiful. So capers in next, and then I might get you to just pick down some basil. And then we can add the sauce, let it bubble away, and wait for the pasta to be done.
It's one of those pasta dishes where you get the pasta in quickly and then you can make the sauce so it all comes together. I notice a lot of your pastas are like that. And it's great because when we talk about weeknight cooking, this is what we're looking for.
Absolutely. Quick, easy, delicious meals.
Fabulous. All right, I'll finish picking this. That sauce goes in, wait for it to cook down, and we're ready to bring it all together.
All right, Justine, it's time.
Pasta's cooked, sauce is nice and thick and rich.
Absolutely, and then again, always that pasta water just to loosen it up a little bit.
That starchy water is such a important thing to add to your pastas.
Absolutely. Now we'll just give it a quick, just feel like I need a little bit more water. So just a touch more water. And you will be surprised how much water the pasta actually does need. And then just a quick toss.
See, if you didn't add that water, it wouldn't be glistening just like that. That's why it's so crucial to add.
Absolutely, Justine. So we'll just pop this here and plate up. Beautiful.
And if we were at home, or if we were at your house, we would just pop that in the middle of the table. Bowls, everyone help themselves.
Bottle of wine.
Bottle, of course.
Beautiful. Now, of course, some Parmigiano cheese to finish, because we have to.
All right. Say when.
When. Perfect. Beautiful.
Let's have a taste.
There we go. Thank you.
And you can see the sauce gripping onto those spirals, which makes it extra tasty.
It does.
I can understand why this is your favourite pasta. Big, bold flavours, absolutely divine.
Thank you.